Portable pianos are suitable in two scenarios. If you're a professional musician who tours a lot and needs a nice keyboard to be their wingman, and if you're a newbie, perhaps attending piano classes, and you need a unit that you can carry around without a hassle. In this video we are trying to review's top 6 best mini keyboard piano in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Akai Mini Keyboard Piano. This 32-key keyboard can be connected to headphones. Beginners can monitor while playing. The keyboard has built-in speakers, and can also be connected to speakers to enhance the sound effect. Sensitive reflex functions / effects chosen or guides correct notes to press in demo songs. Helps children better learn and control this musical instrument. The keyboard can be powered by a USB cable / adapter / battery. Package only contains a keyboard, does not include any charging cables or batteries. This cute keyboard can be used as birthday gifts, Halloween, Christmas gifts, and is also an ideal gift for beginners, kids and all music lovers. This 32-key keyboard piano has preset 128 tones, 128 rhythms and 30 demo songs, which can satisfy beginners to play and sing various styles of music. Number 2. Novation Launchpad Mini. Have a seamless music-making experience with Ableton Live and your Launchpad Mini. Have all the tools at your disposal with deep and intuitive Ableton Live control, including device macro control, track select, record, capture MIDI, clip and scene, launch, stop / mute / solo, volume, pans and sends. Easy to use but deeply controllable, Launchpad Mini's creative arpeggiator allows you to change rhythm, beat, pattern, octave, gate and more to add a whole range of diversity to your ideas and melodies. Lay down chords for your track quick with fixed chord mode. Play a chord with one finger by assigning a fixed shape to the keys, and it'll transpose as you move up and down the keyboard. The Launchpad Mini might be small in size, but it's packed with features. The 25-key device has 16 velocity-sensitive RGB, 8 rotary controls, pitch and mod touch strips, and sustain input. Our finest mini keymech to date is also included. Number 3. Casio SA76. The 44-key Casio SA76 offers children the essentials for playing those first tunes. 100 tones, 50 rhythms and 10 integrated songs provide variety. The LSI sound source and the 8-note polyphony ensure good sound quality. The LC display helps with selecting different music options. The SA76 also includes a striking changeover switch, making it easy to switch between piano and organ modes. Simple tone selection with piano, organ tone button and melody on-off lesson function. Easy to read LCD display. Number 4. Akai Professional MPK. Portable mini keyboard and USB MIDI controller with 25 velocity-sensitive synthesizer action keys, pitch / mod joystick control, plus 128 sounds and 10 drum kits. Built-in speaker, 1/8-inch headphone output and battery-powered specification, 3x AA batteries, not included, for performing and producing on the go. Includes MPC Beats software complete with the finest features and essential production tools from the Akai Professional MPK series. 2 banks of 8 ultra-responsive backlit MIDI drum pads with note repeat and full-level functions for drum machine-style performance and music production. Number 5. Yamaha PSA50. This keyboard is inherited from the Yamaha Reface series. It is highly regarded by professionals for its outstanding touch, feel, and expressive power. A great selection of high-quality voices from pianos to drums. Phrase recorder for looping and playing back recorded phrases. The arpeggiator function intelligently creates melodic and rhythmic patterns based on the notes you play, adding inspirational and expressive musicality to your compositions or performances. Choose from filter, pitch and modulation effects to modify the voices in your performance. Number 6. Vangoa VGK610. 61 keys, the unweighted mini keys better fit kids' small finger spacing, worry-free for giving painful fingers after practicing. Built-in 350 timbres, 350 rhythms, 30 demos, 8 percussions. With vibrato, sustain and percussion button, you can customize the sounds and play along with your favorite songs. Equipped with 3 teaching modes, instructions manual, and adjustable rhythm tempo, perfect for beginners. Record and playback functionality also available for correct the playing. While microphone jack for quiet playing, won't disturb others. Made of environmental protection ABS, fine workmanship and soft edge design, safe and very suitable for children. The keyboard size is 32.7 by 10.9 by 3.1 inches, very portable. It can be powered by mains or batteries. Pink music keyboard is lovely. The pink color provides a vibrant and delicate look, helps starter more interested in learning music at the beginning. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.